Welcome to Branco AutoFix. Today, I'll share 5 advanced tips to reduce your fuel consumption that many people overlook. From proper sensor cleaning to smarter AC use, these tips will save you money and keep your car running efficiently. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Use the air conditioner wisely. Running the AC increases engine load, which burns more fuel. Here's how to save fuel while staying cool. At low speeds, open the windows instead of using the AC. On highways, it's better to use the AC because open windows create drag, reducing efficiency. Set your AC temperature moderately. Extreme cooling makes the compressor work harder. Using your AC smarter can save 5 to 10% on fuel consumption over time. Tip number 2. Clean or replace your oxygen sensor, O2 sensor. The oxygen sensor monitors exhaust gases to adjust fuel delivery. Over time, it gets dirty or faulty, leading to poor fuel efficiency. If your fuel consumption suddenly increases, check the O2 sensor. Clean it using a special cleaner, or replace it if it's too worn out. A clean oxygen sensor can improve fuel efficiency by up to 10 to 15%. Tip number 3. Clean your MAF or MAP sensor. These sensors measure airflow and pressure going into the engine. Dirty sensors give incorrect readings, causing the engine to use more fuel. Locate the sensor near the air intake. Use a dedicated MAF cleaner spray. Don't touch it with your hands. Clean it every 6 to 12 months, especially if you drive in dusty areas. Keeping the MAF or MAP sensor clean can boost engine performance and fuel economy significantly. Tip number 4. Replace or clean your air filter regularly. A clogged air filter restricts airflow to the engine, making it burn more fuel to maintain power. Check the air filter every 10,000 kilometers or as per your manual. Replace it if it's dirty or clean it if it's reusable. A clean air filter ensures proper combustion and can improve fuel efficiency by around 5 to 7%. Tip number 5. Clean the fuel injectors. Over time, injectors get clogged with carbon deposits, reducing fuel flow and causing poor mileage. Here's what to do. Use a high-quality fuel system cleaner every 5,000 kilometers. If your car feels sluggish or misfires, consider professional ultrasonic injector cleaning. Clean fuel injectors improve combustion and restore lost fuel efficiency. Let's recap the 5 advanced tips to reduce fuel consumption. 1. Use the air conditioner wisely. 2. Clean or replace the oxygen sensor. 3. Maintain the MAF or MAP sensor. 4. Replace or clean the air filter. 5. Clean your fuel injectors regularly. These tips will improve your car's fuel efficiency and save you money in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to AutoFix, and share it with others. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching AutoFix. Keep your car efficient, drive smart, and save more. Until next time.